Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch. In this short session, let's understand details about our Azure SQL DBA training program. This is an add-on course. As a DBA, we are responsible for our day-to-day management and monitoring operations. In this Azure DBA, the add-on course, which is actually having the basement core DBA concepts. You're aware of MS SQL activities, you're aware of core DBA, only then we can step into Azure DBA. The dependencies. In this Azure DBA program, we'll start with Azure configurations, Azure tools, Data Studio and Management Studio tools, Azure SQL Server, deployments, migration, scaling, failover, backups, restores, tuning, troubleshooting, clustering, always on, etc., including DP300 examination preparation. Complete guidance part of this course. The prerequisites core SQL DBA. If someone wanted to start from the scratch or someone wanted to learn from the basement or refresh their knowledge on core DBA, I recommend you start from the scratch, right from the basics of installation, core DBA 1.5 month, 6 weeks, and Azure DBA extra 4 weeks, total 10 weeks program. Everyday assignments, detailed step-by-step concepts, troubleshooting, RCA, root cause analysis, part of this awesome, beautiful training program. What more you are waiting for? Come, join us for a live demo class. Let's understand the curriculum better, each other, and then we shall proceed for the actual classes step by step. Thank you once again. See you soon in our live demo sessions.